Yeah, I'm
So
ready.
we're gonna make a Greek pita sandwich. Basically, this is like a little bit of a gyro, however you want to say it. This is ground beef.
Okay.
We have some vegetables. So it's basically a hamburger sandwich with yogurt on top. Some crunchy vegetables.
Love it.
Good to me.
We're gonna start with a very simple dressing. Very good olive oil, very cheap red wine vinegar, mustard and honey. Shake, shake, a lot of salt and pepper.
You got it, Holmes.
Okay? Shake that up, and then I just have hamburger meat, 80-20.
Yeah, the good old hamburger meat.
Grated onion. I like the grated onion. It gets in there more. And one ingredient that we cannot be without is cinnamon in our meat or lamb.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, very
Cinnamon.
Greek. Yeah, I like that.
I just love it's
I love a chili with a
incredible
cinnamon
difference.
stick in it.
It's an incredible flavor. Cumin, garlic powder, and some fresh parsley. We're just gonna mix that up. Obviously, salt. A good amount of salt. This really needs to sing. And we're gonna put a pan on a fire. We're gonna get that going. So we could make meatballs with this, or skewer it and grill it if you wanted to.
Kebab.
But I'm not gonna do that. Just gonna
So you're
fry
just
it.
gonna put it right in?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
I love
We're
this.
campfiring, and I like
love
that.
It.
Yeah.
I love it. Because
Here.
usually you think like, oh, I gotta cook those onions first. I gotta do this, that.
It's like the chili you made. You throw everything in.
Throw it all together.
I
Remember
smell
that?
that cinnamon in there.
Good,
I
right?
smell that cinnamon. Yeah, it might be like what is it, moussaka?
Yep.
I've been saying it wrong my whole life. I've been saying moussaka.
I think it's, depends.
Can you do me another favor, Jeff?
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Will you run to the oven? I have some pita that's raw.
Whoa.
Run to the oven. Oh, you're there already. Take the pita out, and would you brush it with oil and a little za'atar?
Yes, za'atar.
Okay.
White sesame seeds, some oregano, some
love it.
sumac.
And what I hear,
Oh, I just smell the cinnamon.
I've made a little whipped feta, garlic, dill, sour cream, like a little tzatziki, but not really.
Do you want them whole or you want it cut? Oh, you don't want nothing done.
I want you to cut them in half.
Okay.
So
looks
you want to get this cooked. We're not doing like a bolognese. We're not looking for that at all. While that's cooking, we're just gonna make our little vegetable medley. So I have cucumbers finely diced. I have beautiful lettuce. Could be iceberg, it could be celery, whatever you want. Red onions.
You smell the lettuce?
I love the smell of lettuce.
I want to know what it is.
Oh,
Come on now.
What was that?
mint,
Okay.
parsley, dill.
Come on now, GZ.
I am
Bring
gonna
the
love
flavor.
this. I cannot
Sing.
wait.
Okay, shake, 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 shake.
I'm ready for it.
And this goes along with your little picnic or your trip to the
How dare you
beach.
call it little?
This is not a little picnic.
This is, yeah. Tell me you've never camped out without
Never.
telling me you've never camped out.
I never
By
camped
making
out.
a whipped feta sauce.
And I am never camping out. I'm just telling you right
Brunoise,
now.
cucumbers, and za'atar.
Hey, he said it was a picnic.
That's
I
nice.
love it.
So look at this. So the reason why, what's nice about this is we don't want to get it too brown because that's not the texture you want. You want the texture that you got when it's almost like a dip.
Fine.
Soft.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yielding.
It's soft and yielding.
See, I'm lazy. I love this. I would then just hit it with that feta sauce and then the cucumbers over the top and family style serve it. And you have your own pita and just scoop out. He's gonna make beautiful bespoke sandwiches.
I think even if you put all that in there, you wrap it up, maybe put this on the side and just wrap it.
So that's what I do.
Yes.
I put it in the toe first.
Yeah, put it in the
I
jar.
put a little of the crunch on the bottom.
Smart.
I like that. So
Okay.
your good stuff doesn't fall off the top.
And I put the beef here. And then I put a little dollop of this.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay. And then you got this.
What's in
Another
your whipped
layer?
feta again, GZ?
That's feta, sour cream, little dill, some garlic.
Okay.
And so that
Could you
is
just
sort of
use
something just
yogurt if you wanted to do
You
it?
can use
with
yogurt.
milk?
Yeah, sure. You are.
Oh,
Wow.
let's hear-
Wow.
Well,
And so Jeff did a
Katie,
great job
wow.
of warm.
I want you to
pita
have
in
your
there.
experience,
Oh.
but I'll take the next one, GZ,
Okay, you got it, girl.
expeditiously.
Oh, man.
That
That's it.
crunch from all those veggies in there and the creamy feta, that nice tender beef with the cinnamon and the garlic and the herbs.
It's
and the
unexpected,
onions.
right? The cinnamon with the beef.
It's so good. This is like eyes roll back in your head good.
Come on,
I
girl.
mean, I kind of just want like a fork and eat it like a big plate of salad.
Dude, we're coming off the rails here, Jeffrey.
It
Look
is
what you've done to
good.
everybody here. You've
It's
excited
really,
us
really
all.
good, Jeffrey.
Here we are talking about campfires and picnics and everything. Man, I'll eat this breakfast, lunch, dinner. You
Yeah.
at a wedding serve this to me at a baby shower. I don't care.
Baby
A
shower.
baby shower. This is so good. The meat is delicious. You know, we got a huge waft of the cinnamon. but when you taste it, it's a nice undertone.
Yeah.
It's not in your face.
You need more than you think.
Yeah, you need more than you think.
Yeah.
Do what Jeezy, listen, just follow the recipe exactly how Jeezy wants you to.
All about that salad.
The salad crunch at the top, the whipped feta, I'm doing that. I am doing your whipped
That's-
feta dip. It is so delicious.